All right, so I am here in Santa Marta. I'm at the, I guess you would just say the boat dock, the port. So yeah, let's go check it out and see what it's like. Alright, so I'm down on the beach. This is kind of just, this is right down in Santa Marta. I guess close to Parque De Novios. Obviously a public beach, not very private. I think half of it is closed. So they're doing something down at the other end. You can see there's not too many people down that way. But there's lots of people down this way where I am, and yeah, it's not too bad. I guess it's good enough for, you know, people in town. They want to just come down to the beach and relax and enjoy the sand and the water. I haven't gone in the water yet. I haven't really done any beach stuff, but it looks nice and it's pretty hot. I'd say it's probably 35 at the minimum. It seems to be pretty warm all the time here. There's a little bit of a breeze, so one of the taxi drivers was saying, oh, you're lucky that you're here at this time of year, because if you're here later on, it gets really, really hot and there's no breeze. So there's no relief whatsoever. But right now there's some relief, so that's good. So I am here at Parque De Novios, which is probably one of the more famous places here in Santa Marta. Not sure who this gentleman is, but it looks like he's welcoming us to the park, so that's kind of cool. Let's check it out. It's one of the shadier places in town. As you can see, it is a crazy hot day today. Yeah, they're remodeling or doing some kind of construction along the beach. Is probably a good idea. And this is what the park looks like. So it's nice because there's a lot of shade, and with the wind, gives it a nice little feel. What I do know is that I believe there's a statue of Simone Boulevard here somewhere. I think it's in this park. And I know that he's pretty famous through a lot of South American countries. For example, in Quito, one of the main highways is called Simone Boulevard. And I'm pretty sure he died here. Let's have a look. I think I see his monument. Yeah, apparently he does have a gravesite somewhere here in Santa Marta. Yeah, so pretty cool. Nice big statue. There he is. And let's see. So let's see. He was born in Caracas in Venezuela in 1783. Yeah, he died here in Santa Marta on December 17th of 1830. All right. There he is, kind of a cool monument. Yeah, so here's a little bit more of the story. So yeah, this is why I've heard of him before. It says, a liberator of Colombia, Ecuador, Panama, Peru, and Venezuela. And looks like he helped develop some government and Del Pueblo de Venezuela, La Ciudad de Santa Marta. Yeah, so it looks like they put this up in 1953, which is kind of cool. There he is. He looks like he's got some pigeons nesting on him. But pretty cool. Pretty cool monument. All right, let's keep walking. So these are the side streets of Santa Marta. Just came from Parque De Novios, and there's quite a few side streets. They're all very, very similar, kind of cool. Lots of restaurants, lots of places to eat. It's quiet now. It's Sunday afternoon, so there's not a lot of action. But in the nighttime, especially like Saturday night, Friday night, this place is happening. You can see that takes you out to the ocean. But yeah, lots of cool restaurants, probably some fairly old restaurants, new restaurants. They all kind of have like an outside patio that you can sit and enjoy outside. Ice cream shop, lots of those around here. It's really, really hot, so lots of places you can have a beer.